Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season and I wish you a very happy and healthy new year. So I'm going to start off the new year with my early spring cards. So let's get started. So in this short video I'm going to show you some new die cut sheets. This first one here is called Early Spring and it is by Precious Marike. And like all the Finder die cut sheets, each sheet has 3 embellishments that you can then stack up and make a 3D embellishment. This one has 2 bouquets of snowdrops. Here is the first one and this is the second one. And then at the bottom you have this cute little snowdrop figurine holding a flower. And the colors are in muted grays, blues and green. So very wintry, but look how pretty this artwork is. And my second die cut sheet is from the Winter Classics collection by Janine's Art, and this has winter flowers, the blue winter roses, also another snowdrop, and then down here more winter roses, and the color palette is the same, very muted blues, grays, a little bit of red, the berries in here, and these make beautiful winter cards. I had to start off with this snowdrop bouquet. These remind me of home in Germany. We had the snowdrops in our yard sometimes by the end of January, early February, as a sign of spring is coming, and they're so delicate and the artwork here is just beautiful. I used a blank card. This is the new scalloped edge cards that you can find at Michael's. Background paper, of course, a little bit of blue cardstock that I put through my crimper, a glitter border sticker, a glitter sentiment, best wishes, and of course some stickles. And here it is, a clean card, just beautiful for winter birthdays or any winter occasion. Card 2 shows you how you can put white on white. So I have these delicate snowflakes. This is the second bouquet from the sheet, and I just added it to white background paper, and I used a green card. This one is a birthday card. I have happy birthday as a sentiment sticker, but of course you can make a thank you card if you want to send that after the holidays. That would also make a beautiful card somebody could receive as a thank you. And then of course my last one is this cute little snowdrop figurine, and look how gorgeous this little girl, I want to say, because it has a dress, looks like. And here I added a little bit more colorful background paper just to show you how you can just switch it up a little bit. Even though they're all in a muted color palette, by using different background colors you can have a different impact. And again I used a happy birthday sentiment sticker, little bit of pearl trim here, stickles and border stickers. I thought it came out so cute. I love these snowdrop cards. So here is my last die cut sheet for today, and this is Happy Spring by Precious Marike. And this die cut sheet again has 3 embellishments. We have more snowdrops here with a butterfly. We have a beautiful tulip flower also with a butterfly. And then up here a bouquet that has a heart and ribbon woven in. And I thought maybe this could make a Valentine's card. So I made a Valentine's card with this embellishment, and see how pretty it turned out. So again, I used a card base by Michael's, then again some background paper. Here I used my border punch with a heart, and this beautiful embellishment made the card. With love, that makes a Valentine's card, but also a hello or maybe even get well card. But because it has this pretty heart in here, I thought it just turned out really nice. So here is this card. Then here's my take on the snowdrop flower. And we all, I know, have a lot of paper, and that's why I like these die cut sheets so much, because this is how I can use up my pretty papers. So I used different background papers. I used my happy birthday sentiment sticker, more of a border at the bottom, and then of course the pretty embellishment, and not to forget the stickles. So this is card number 2. And then my third one, and I want to say it's probably my favorite one, is the tulip card. And this is a pink card. It looks very much like spring. I used 3 different papers for this card on a pink blank card, and it came out so beautiful, and it comes together very quickly. As you know me now, by now, I don't like to spend too much time on a single card. I like to see the end result rather quickly, and that's what these die cut sheets are for. You can make beautiful cards in little time. So these are the 3 cards from the Happy Spring die cut sheet. And here they are, my first cards for 2020. I hope you liked them. I had fun working with these new die cut sheets. I thought they came out beautiful. Please come and visit my store if you can to see all the new arrivals. I have a lot of new die cut sheets, but also I have to make room, so there will be more clearance items on a weekly basis, and you will find them in a clearance section. So please come and visit me. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and join us on Facebook under European Papercrafts Friends in our Facebook group. So again, I wish you a very happy and healthy new year, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.